What's up guys, my name is Joe and in my hand I have an iPhone 6s back from 2015, to be very precise 2015 November. Now this is not a new device, this is a pretty old device, but the battery has not yet been changed and I want to do a test on how long the battery lasts. As you can see now it's on 100%. I have my theory, I hope it lasts more than half an hour. And I've been having very much troubles with this phone. A lot of people are changing from a phone like this or an iPhone 6 to the new iPhone SE. They've been holding out. Let's see what their battery life was like. And I want to demonstrate why I think that Apple's battery health meter is just bullcrap. So if I log into the phone, you can see I am in the settings menu and I go over here to battery. And you can see it's on 100%. Also, if I go into battery health, it says maximum capacity is 85% after almost 4 years, more than 4 years, 4.5 years. And it says peak performance capability. Your battery is currently supporting normal peak performance. Great. I will be doing a Geekbench and an N22 benchmark to see if under heavy load, how long it takes. So without further ado, let's take this off of the charger and I'm gonna place it here for you guys to see. Now the brightness is on maximum. I've turned off the auto lock feature, so it's gonna stay like this, and I'm gonna zoom in here on the top so you can see the battery meter all the time. And we're just gonna wait, and I am going to, do random things, start some videos on here. This will be sped up, so it's not very boring. We are on 100% right now, so let's go. So guys, as you can see, the phone is down to the last percent. Now this was not a scientific test by any means. I just wanted to throw everything at this phone and see how it compares. Now, if you remember, we started, I think, at 12:42 a.m. and it's now 2:25 a.m. So a little over 1.5 hours and the phone is depleted down to 1%. I don't think this is good, and there you go. The phone died, officially gone. Turning off, and that's it. So this is how long a 4.5-year-old iPhone 6s lasts if you give it everything. Games, all of the applications open, maps, benchmark tests, camera, everything. I wanted to throw everything at it. You see how much time it finally lasted. Now with the touch, I can feel that this phone is super hot, and when I was recording with the camera, it couldn't even turn on the flash because it was too hot and said the phone needed to cool down. I don't know how your iPhone compares to this. I don't think this is such a good result, but we are talking about 4.5 years. So, take everything with a little grain of salt. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget that there is a AirPods Pro giveaway. All you need to do is subscribe to this channel, follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and leave a comment down below. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Until my next video, stay safe and hang loose.